Good morning, everyone. Today I will be teaching you how to install Wi-Fi adapter uh, or Wi-Fi dongle into your Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 without a CD driver or any driver that can be downloaded in the internet. So I'm gonna walk you through on how to do that. All you need, the first thing you need to do, you have to uh, put first the Wi-Fi dongle on the USB slot on your computer or laptop. After that, first thing you need to do is you click on the start button. You right click on the start button and then select device manager. All right, and you will be going or you will be able to open device manager. Another way to pull up device manager is you click on start and then type device manager. All right, so once you able to open device manager, the next thing you need to do is we go to network adapters. Then click the arrow to collapse network adapters, and then you select the realtek RTL 8188 wireless LAN USB 2.0. This is the indicator that your Wi-Fi dongle is detecting on your PC. And all we need to do is just change some few settings on your Wi-Fi dongle. By the way, just to confirm, as you can see, uh, it's not yet activated. By the way, my PC is already activated. When I click on this, I'll be able to see this. But if it's not yet activated, all you need to do is right click on this one, click properties, all right, click advanced, and click on wireless mode. And then on the value, select the first one, IE 802.11b. All right, all you need is click on that and then click OK. And after that, um, it will activate there. It's going to refresh, and you should be able to, when you click on the internet connection here, it should show the options for your internet connection. Again, let me repeat that back to you. Right click, properties, and click on the advanced tab. Click on the wireless mode, then select this one. All right, and after that, let's try to check if we can access the internet. So as for me, I actually hid my uh, Wi-Fi connection so that neighbors cannot connect to my wireless, or they will know that we have internet connection. All right, so just go ahead and try to connect that. All right, so it's now connected. So let's try to open Google Chrome if it's working properly. There. So as you can see, it's working 100%. Right? So it's working properly, no problem. So, um, so if you have any concerns, problems, or you encounter problems like that, I mean you're unable to access, just comment down below this video, and I'll be happy to assist you. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, please comment down below, or please like and subscribe, and I'll be happy to create another videos like this in the future. All right, thank you so much and have a great one. Bye bye.